ZAPTEST is proud to introduce a new API testing functionality. It allows testing of web services and provides seamless integration with UI testing. The ZAPTEST interface now includes a component for managing API servers and methods, API Explorer. There is a new tab, API Studio, which is used to configure step arguments, parameters, custom content, validation of response, and others. To use this feature, please start by adding the API server object. Specify its URL. Select a checkbox for WSDL or WADL if it's available. ZAPTEST uses the WSDL to retrieve a list of methods and corresponding arguments. From here, the API Studio tab can be used to specify server properties and to add authentication. For a method call, we can specify a server type, SOAP or REST. Select a method type from the list. Choose a data format, XML or JSON. In addition, the API Studio provides tabs to specify various attributes of an API service call. Use this tab to modify the request body, to view or update raw body data, to include GET parameters, XML namespaces, headers, and attachments. The Checklist tab can be used to define one or several validation points of the server's response. To define a web service call step, simply drag the method object to the step or script view, select an operation from the list, and enter optional arguments if needed. Run the test and review its results. If any checklist validation fails, the results provide details with expected and actual values. API service steps can be combined with UI testing steps. In this example, we use the web service call to get our company name value and use it for Google search. Let's run the test and review the results. For more information, please visit our website at www.zaptest.com.